If you're a new window cleaner, then you need to watch this video so that you don't get these 5 things wrong like most new guys do. Number 1, don't use the wrong tools. That means don't walk into Home Depot or Lowe's. They've got some quality brands, but low quality tools that are designed for homeowners, not for pros. If you go that route, you're really going to suffer with your time, efficiency, and your quality. Instead, use a professional provider like Window Cleaning Resource. There is a link in my bio. That also means don't use quality tools for the wrong application. If you have hard water stains, a regular scrubber and squeegee is not going to cut that grime. You're going to need to use some added chemicals and maybe some steel wool in addition to get that cleaned up. That brings us to number 2. Don't use the wrong technique. Sometimes using a nice technique is going to take a little bit more effort and a little bit more practice, but over time, the quality will show and speak for itself. The learning curve is not that steep. Even if you're just starting with straight pulls, make sure you're being careful with your motions and doing things that are going to help improve your efficiency over time. Also, don't do stupid things like using razor blades on dry glass. There's professionally designed scrapers that you want to use on well-lubricated glass. That means lots and lots of soapy water in order to make sure things are going to come off without leaving scratches. Abrasives like razor blades and scrubbing pads and steel wool can definitely cause damage if you do it improperly. So do enough research to clean appropriately. Third is the wrong price. Don't come in the game charging a low price. When you're first starting out, you're going to be working slower. So charge for the job and not for your time, because over time you will get faster and your hourly wages will increase. Don't try to be the cheapest guy in the area. Everybody's going to be raising their prices every year because of inflation. Make sure you start at a price that's appropriate and calculate it efficiently for where you're at in your business. Anywhere from $5 to $10 for pane for residential and $2 to $4 per pane for commercial or storefronts. Number 4, don't use the wrong technology. It means a pad of paper with a pencil is not going to do good enough. Invest in a quality website and a solid CRM to make sure that you're giving your customers the best impression and able to keep control of their information safely over the long term. There's so many added benefits of using a good CRM. I have a link for Jobber in my description that you can go ahead and use for a discount. Regardless of which CRM you use, make sure you're set up for your future success. Finally, the wrong focus. A lot of guys come in and they're trying to figure out what's the best exact solution for the amount of soap in your water. Now, obviously, you need to have the right techniques figured out, and you need to use the right systems in place to clean glass. But once you get the basics down, you don't need to make that your primary focus. Start focusing more on sales and marketing, and then from there, leadership and customer service. Over time, it's those intangible things that you can invest in yourself that are going to make the biggest difference overall. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know, what's your biggest struggle as a window cleaner? Comment below so that we can all have a discussion.